What's up, guys? It's Titus. I'm back with another video. My mic, I've noticed in the past videos my mic is kind of bad. I'm working on getting a new mic for you guys, so I'm saving up for that so we can have better quality sound for all of the videos. So for this video, as you can see, we'll be talking about digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet, online-based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other media platforms to promote products and services. So, as you know from the definition, you're just promoting products and services online. And today, I'll tell you how you can learn everything about digital marketing for free. Yeah, for free. I bet you didn't know that. So, digital marketing is a very high in demand job, very high in demand because there are businesses out there that are opening up left and right and behind and front. They opening up like a wildfire. It's crazy how many businesses need digital marketers as well. They need a lot of these people on deck today, and that's why I'm telling you guys how to get it for free, because people need these type of jobs, and I can show you how you can learn it for free, and maybe you can be one of those people working for those small businesses or even a big business. So I'll be putting a link in the description for this site. This site is called learndigitalwithgoogle.com. They have multiple courses with different type of, like my other video, it was a Google Ads video. So they have things similar in that sort, doing all for free. It's all free. So digital marketing, I'll show you the first. So I've been working on this a little bit myself. I'm on module 13, and this one is talking about deep dive into social media. It shows you the videos. They show videos, and then you check your knowledge. So after you watch the video, check your knowledge. And if you get it right, you go to the next one. Watch the video again. And then you do that for every module until you get to last module. When you complete the last module, get your certificate, your digital marketing certificate, Google. And then you can go apply for digital marketing jobs. So this is it. It gives you, like it says, a deep dive into this digital marketing. It tells you everything you need to know, and it's all for free. Like, you can't beat it. So check your knowledge. Billy runs a vintage shop. Wants to engage more with the customers online. Currently posts 2 social media. It's been a while. I'm a little rusty on this because school comes first. Knock it out. Get school knocked out. Then yeah. So hopefully I. Oh. So like this is, it's a free site. I'll put this description down below. You guys can learn a lot from this. It's a lot of free knowledge. And they have quizzes after every module as well. So once you complete this module, you go to a 5, 6, 7 question quiz. Make sure you understand the whole module. Like I said, I'm module 13. I'm slowly working towards module 20. And let's see what other courses. They should have other courses on here. See, look, plenty of courses. I completed this one. So it's a lot of free information out here, and these are like, you have to see it to know it. Cause I think I just came across, I was searching digital marketing online, and this popped up, and I was like, wow, this is great. I gotta provide it on YouTube and let people know about it. It's a lot of other stuff. Excuse me. So if you guys want me to do like a walkthrough of this course, I'll try to do that. Let me know down in the comments so I can do a walkthrough of this course. Not, it's like, nah, I'll do it anyway. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to know more about this Google Digital Garage or anything, including the last video or a previous video, just ask me anything. I may not know everything. I'll see if I can find the answer. If I don't know the answer, you just gotta do your own research so you can find the answer. Because Google is your best friend and YouTube is your other best friend. Use those sources to the best you can. And make sure you guys join the Discord. I'll be putting a link down in the description. Free. We talk about investing, crypto, talk about different skills that you can learn, like digital marketing, things of that sort. So make sure you guys join the Discord down below, because man, we are going to be a strong community. We are growing trees. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.